Benefits of taking water regularly. Water is an essential nutrient our body depends upon for optimal health and fitness. It keeps us hydrated and assists with vital processes at every level of functioning of the human body. If you are physically active, research has shown that water is the most important nutrient in sports nutrition. Here are some of the key reasons why you need to stay hydrated, even if you aren't an athlete. 1. Weight maintenance. The brain can't actually tell the difference between hunger and thirst, so often we mistake thirst as a sugar craving. The next time you feel the need for something sweet, try a glass of water first. Staying hydrated may also help with weight maintenance. Research has shown that having water before a meal may fill you up more and therefore promote weight loss through suppressing your appetite. This was also noted in the 2015 study in which diet drinks were swapped for water. The results show this may lead to greater reduction in weight and improved insulin resistance. 2. Prevents constipation. If you do not drink enough water, you are more likely to experience constipation. On the other hand, if you constipated, drinking plain water and carbonated water can help ease symptoms. If you are eating balanced food without taking adequate water, you will regularly suffer constipation. Drinking water regularly also helps to prevent constipation by ensuring unconstrained bowel movements. 3. Prevents dehydration. Your body loses fluids when you engage in vigorous exercise. Sweat is high heat, or come down with a fever or a contract an illness that causes vomiting or diarrhea. If you are losing fluids for any of these reasons, it is important to increase your fluid intake so that you can restore your body's natural hydration level. Your doctor may also recommend that you drink more fluids to help treat other health conditions like bladder infections and urinary tract stones. If you are pregnant or nursing, you may want to consult with your physicians about your fluid intake because your body will be using more fluids than usual, especially if you are breastfeeding. 4. Fights wrinkles. Drinking adequate water helps plump up skin cells, which minimizes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles so you look younger. Water also supports detoxification and helps fluid toxins and impurities out of the body that dull your complexion. Stay well hydrated to support good circulation and blood flow, all of which will help your skin glow. If you don't like to taste the plain water, add a little lemon juice to make it more palatable. Vitamin C in citrus fruit is an antioxidant that fights skin-damaging free radicals and supports healthy collagen, a major component in skin. Along with drinking enough water, eat fruits and vegetables high in polyphenols and flavonoids to boost skin health. Sipping warm, vitamin C-rich lemon water is believed to help you detoxify, which will help your skin glow. 5. Increases brain power. So, you know how I mentioned earlier that water carries nutrients and oxygen to various parts of the body? Well, that includes the brain. That's right. Water carries the correct nutrients to the brain, which then allows the brain to flush toxins. If the brain is properly hydrated, it can flush toxins and receive the correct nutrients more fluidly, resulting in a peak-performing brain. Studies show that mild dehydration can impair brain function, causing increased headaches, poor mood, and decreased energy and concentration.